Who's wrong? You're good. Number 12. You're good. Jump ball. Same ball.
Tugaw. Like sabi mo magtatapag tugaw daw, boy. Eh, boss.
Tudo. 10 second shot na. Traveling! Tapos. Tapos. Nagtatapang kasi. Number 5, Arsenal. Euro. Number 3, yes sir. Is the glass.
Ayan, 2-0 in favor Poti. Kalingayan.
Ines. Naku. Number 23. Dribbling the ball. Number 94. Milton. There's a foul. Foul 94. Idika. Two shots for number 8. Arosena. Yes, for the first shot. Seven.
Ayun, 4-0 in favor Poti, Kalingayan.
And number 3, going in and out. Nagayuin, tulis na rin mo lang ko yan. Nagayuin ka. Nagayuin, ang ko yan eh.
Yun, another 2 points Metib Value. Basket.
Foul. Number 19. Number shot for number 21, Ines. Good. Zero by number 23. Yoro.
Pera maadubo ko naman.
Number 4, number 1, Gustavo. Grabe ni Pera yan. At 3. Yes, short. Baliktad. Yes, number 21.
Yes, tabla, 4-all.
Kuya Raymar. Number 8, Alcena. Pass to Zeta, number 3. To number 81. To number Brown. Number. Magawa ng grupo, number 3. There's a foul. Foul number 23, Euro. 2 shots for number 23. Pira na, may ibuus pa. Yes, for the first shot. Lastro. Number 3, clear again, number. Number 1, Gustavo. Akhir ulit. Number 12. Foul. Foul number.
Ayan, 5-4. 1 point lead, Itib Bali, ay Kalingayan. 5-4, 1 point lead, Kalingayan.
Short. Ibagay, number 19. Number 84. Number 1, Gustavo. Yadaw. Palayabiling. Malingayan ball. Canada ball.
Baliw ngayon, ayan, 3 minutes and 41 sa ating first quarter. 5-4, 1 point lead, Kalingayan.
Number 1, Isanya. Ayaw ka number 21. Ines. Valentin. Butong. Ayaw ka number 8. So number 1. Number 1, Isanya. Ibuos. Foul. Foul number 8. Time out. Kalingayan. Second personal foul number 8. Canada. Drop the rolling. Let's go. Let's get
Yes, 6-4 in favor po, Tik Kalingayan.
number 23, pushing the ball. Pass number 15. Number 18. Number 24, Kapanan. Trio, number 93. 8 seconds left. Igadaw.
Ay,
Canada ball. Gawin ng grupo. Ibagay. Number 19, nalagay ito. Number 15, step up 3. Revives number 15.
ayan, Chase favor, 6-7, 1 point lead, Baliw.
Number 12. Number 23. Basta number 81. Kasi. No good. Number 12. Same ball. Just 1 minute, 56 seconds. 11 to shoot. Ines. Sakal.
Hey! Alright,
24 second violation. Number 93. Euro. Kalingayan ball. Less 1 minute, 31 seconds. In the first quarter. Number 12, Ines. Yes, sir.
Ayan, Chase favor ulit.
Euro step by number 12.
8-7, 1 point lead, Kalingayan.
Number 23. 24, Kapanan. 23, walang mapapasaan. Yoro. Sa number 15.
3 points.
Select to shoot.
Ayun.
Boys, number 24.
Ayan, Chase favor ulit. 8-10. 2-point lead.
8-10.
Value.
Value. Tama lang din. Yung number 19, Pasal lang po. Sa number 23. Number 23, sa number 18. Nabitawan ang buko. Back sa number 23. Number 18. Drop in violation. Cutting na yan ball. Last 30 seconds. Ines. To Ines. Valentin. Valentin. Number 12. Yes, sir. Number 12.
Tabla, 10 all.
Yes.
10 all.
13 seconds. Number 94. Yes, sir.
Your Chase favor.
That's 5 seconds.
10-12. 10-12 value. Ayan, end of the first quarter.
First quarter official score. 10-12. Bring it up. The home court. Value. Second quarter. Next game. Barangay versus Sapat. Number 94. Yo, number 19. Push up. Good. Number 23 again. Number 21. Ines. There's a foul. Foul number 15. Ines. Number 12, push up, laro. Number 12 ang lakas mo, para ang malabaw. Yes, sir. Number 12. Yes.
Ayan, tabla, 12 all. 12 all.
Yesenia. Lolo. Lolo Gustavo. Same ball. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Yes, basket number 15.
Chase favor ulit, 12-14 in favor for the value.
Cuesta. Ines to Ines, number 12. There's a whistle. Foul number 18. 2 shots for number 21, Ines. Valentin.
Magpapela din ang seryo.
Number 23, coming in and out. Number 3, Ilustrísimo, bagong gising in. Number 15, just number 94, Manan. Back to number 1, Lolo Gustavo. Gawa ng grupo, 7 to shoot. Lester.
Nice sublimon to eh.
5 shoot.
Pinyin. Boys, kalingayan. Change favor. 16-14. 16-14. Kalingayan.
Gustavo. Yesenia. Pulapuesta. Yoro. Fernandez.
Yes, tabla ulit. 16 all.
Number 91. Pass to number 12. Ines. Trina. Yes, sir.
Another 2 points. Kalingayan.
Ines.
18-16. Kalingayan.
Number 94, kanan. Bounce to number 93. Number 15. Naghahanap ako sa 10 seconds shot clock. Number 24, round 3. No go, player number 91. Ines. There's a foul committed by number 15. Second personal foul, number 15. Sobret, number 15, Canada out. Number 12,
3
Rita
points.
Reyes.
Yes, 3 points. Chase favor.
Ines.
21-16. Kalingayan.
Number 8, to number 1, Gustavo. Number 93, to number 3, second violation, Sauber. Number 1, Canada out. Number 21, number 12. Ronnie, back to number 12. They open number 19. To number 8. Pass to number 18, La Cuesta. Yes, sir. Number 18, La Cuesta.
Ayan,
Number
21-18.
12, Mr. Leo.
Another 2 points. Kalingayan. 23-18. Kalingayan.
Yellow. Same ball. Last touch by number 23. Last 3 minutes, 48 seconds in the second quarter. Number 12, 10 to shoot. Ines, number 91, shot. Boy, there's a whistle again. Ball number 18, La Cuesta. 2 shots for number 12, Ines. Ines for the first shot. Rolling. 10 to shoot. 5. Dave Diataw. Lima pa number 23. Dito sutan ang tatlo, number 23, Yoro. There's a whistle. Foul, number 12, Sobret. Number 3, Kalingayan out. Next game, Sapat versus Maranay. Hey, okay. Masih boleh number 2, Pesta. Masuk depan. Simple. Last 2 minutes, 55 seconds to the second quarter. Official score 24-18 in favor of Kalingayan.
Ayan, thank you very much. 100 star, Madam Eileen Yadaw. God bless you po, ma'am.
Matulungin. Number 90. Ayala. Pass to number 8. Jump shot. Play over number 11. Yadaw. Pass to number 91. Ines. Yes, sir. Number
And another
91,
2
Ines.
points, Kalingayan. 26-18. 26-18. Kalingayan. 2 minutes and 19 sa ating second quarter.
Number 94. Hindi na press, wala. Number 12, yes. Navigating. Ten to shoot. Ines. 21. 5 to shoot.
Go.
Out of bounds. Canada ball. Number 23, Yoro. To number 24, Sarang kanan. Yoro. Number 18, number 19, Papalano, Bigmana. Natawa ng buko. Yataw. Still. Number 93, tumatakbo. Pass to number 94. Yes. But there's no whistle. Ball number 81.
1 minute and 5 seconds sa ating second quarter, guys. 26-18 in favor of Kalingayan. Another 1 point, Baliw. 19-26, Kalingayan.
Yes again.
Bukot ko. Wala mabali na.
Tira. Tapal. Great. Arosea. Tumira ng press. Tapos. Ang tira. Kanina yan po.
Last 43 seconds left.
Last 4 minutes.
Second quarter. Ano? 4
Yes.
seconds.
Ines. Bumali. Wala. Ang wala ng grupo. Ines pa rin.
Nay.
Yo. Let's play. Kalian ball. The 16 seconds. The 16 seconds. The span. The 5. Yes! 3 points! Number 9. End of the first half. Official score 29-20. In favor of Kalingayan.
Adan. Thank you very much, Madam Eileen Yadaw sa 100 star. God bless you po.
third quarter. Number 1, Yesenia. To number 18, La Cuesta. Good. Lima Mayagaw. To number 91, Ines. Ines. Uy, ginagawa ng kakampi. Number 12, Ines. Number 12, Lima kay number 19. Number 18, La Cuesta. Walang mapapataman. Out of bounds, kanina ang ball. Takik, Gustavo. Number 12, nakalusot. Bilang na number 11. Nakawa ni number 1. There's a whistle. Foul number 81. Second personal foul number 81, La Cuesta. Sorry. Number 19, Canada out. Number 6, Ramos in. Yes. Yes, number 15. 12 Sena. Short. Number 23. Eagles. Halingayan. Three, hoy!
Ayan, 29-20, 9-point lead, Kalingayan. 5 minutes and 47 sa ating third
Number
quarter.
23. Ibuos. La Cuesta. 5 to shoot. Ines, umali. Yadaw, yes, sir.
Another 2 points, Kalingayan. 31-20, Kalingayan.
Number 15, Ines. Yes, number 15.
Another 2 points, Bayo.
Number 7, number 18.
22-31,
Gustavo.
Kalingayan.
Number 15, Ines. Yes, again, the number 15, Ines.
24-31, Kalingayan.
Number 93. So number 12. 10 to shoot. Block. The number 6. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 91. 5 to shoot. There's a foul. Foul number 6, Ramos. First personal foul number 6. Number 12, to number 11, yes sir.
Yun, another 2
Si Vasquez,
points.
number 11.
Kalingayan. 31-24, Kalingayan.
Number 15. Kalingayan ball. That's 3 minutes, 57 seconds. Yes. Time to shoot. Yadaw. Pira. Gawa ng grupo. Yes! Basket! May kasama ng foul.
24, 35, Kalingayan. 3 minutes and 35 sa ating third quarter.
Third personal foul, number 8. Bonus shot for number 12, Ines. Time out! Ayan.
36-24, Kalingayan.
May dyan eh. Isip ka dyan mo na.
Back to the moving. Number 8, Arsena. Now, number 18, Camesta. That's 3 minutes, 20 seconds. The third quarter. Number 21, Costa number 12. Number 12. Time to shoot. Number 12. 5. Pira. Yes, sir.
Another
Number
2 points, Kalingayan.
Number 1.
38-24, Kalingayan.
Number 18.
2 minutes and 45 sa ating third quarter.
Foul number 23. Fourteen to shoot. 14 to shoot. It's a whistle. Foul number 81. First warning, number 81. 2 shots, number 15, yes. Yes, for the last shot. Foul. Foul number 18. Sabret. First warning, number 18. Value. Pira. So number 11. Yadaw. Pira number 18. Yes, sir.
Ayan, 40-25, 40-25 in favor po ET, Kalingayan. Plus 2 minutes left sa ating third quarter.
Arsena. Still. Number 4. Tumalakbo. Ines. Bakang. There's a foul. Foul number 15. Ines. 2 shots. Number 12. Ines. First warning, number 15, Ines. That's 1 minute, 46 seconds in the third quarter. Score 40-25. Kalingayan. So that number 15 out, number 94 in. Rapanan. Number 8, Arcena. Nih, patay ang putiki. Number 23, Ibukos. Still. Pass break. Number 23. There's a foul. Foul number 1. First personal foul number 1. Number 21 is Valentin. Dave. So number 81 is La Costa.
Boys, galing ngayon. Plus 56 seconds ating third quarter. 25-42. Kalinga.
Number 1, Yasanya. So number 24, Ramadan. Yes.
Another 2 points value.
Number 24, Ramadan.
27-42. Kalinga.
Number 93. No good. Tingnan mo number 6. Number 1, Gustavo. Nabitawan ng grupo. Tingnan mo number 8. Yes.
Yun,
Number
2
8.
points value. 29-42.
Number 23.
Kalinga yan.
To Mr. Happy Life. Number 93. Short. Tingnan mo number 91. Basket. May kasama foul. Foul number 24. Short. Ay. Madalas ka.
Napandyan eh. Net na
Next
pumalik.
game, Sapat versus Panay. Number 8, Arcena. Number 3, Yoro.
Nabuy-buyak live ko.
Number 4, Ramos. 2 shots, plus 5 seconds. Foul, number 11. Yes.
Yes, another 1 point. Iti value. 30-44. Kalinga yan. Last 5 seconds sa ating third quarter.
Final score 44-33 in favor of Kalingayan. Smiling boy, number 81. Smiling! Number 84. Ines. 10 shoot. 5 to shoot. 81, smiling boy. Kumira. Yes! Number 81.
Another 2 points. Kalingayan, 30-46. Kalingayan.
Gustavo.
Ayan,
Number 4. Pulit. Yes, sir. Number 4. Ramos. Still. Number 1, Yesenia. Whistle. Foul number 81. Last warning. Sabat. Titiwan. Good. Last throw. Eight-second violation.
Hindi mo tulungan namin. Binaybayan nyo.
Number 8, Arsena. 10 seconds shot clock. Yesenia. 3 points. Number 1.
36-46. Kalingayan.
Foul number 18. Last warning number 18, La Cuesta. There's a whistle again. Foul number 1, Yesenia. 2 shots for number 21, Ines. Yes, for the first shot. Body ball. Number 18, number 1. Stop off. Wala yung así, wala. Number 1, Ramos. There's a foul. Foul number 94. 2 shots for number 4, Ramos. Yes. Last shot. Raimo, paka. Happy graduation, number 18, La Cuesta. Jadi diploma, ayo. Sabret. Number 1, Yazar. Number 1, Gustavo Yazar.
Ayan, umaabot sila 47, 41. Kalingayan, foul.
May kasama foul. Foul number 8. Plus warning number 8. Bonus shot for number 21. Balinting. Rebound by Smile!
Ayan. 51, 41. 51-41. 10.8 Kalingayan. 5 minutes and 24 sa ating last quarter.
Number 1. Yes, basket. Gustavo. Number 15. Tapos. Aray mo. Just 5 minutes. Volleyball. Number 8. Number 4. Last touch again, number 23. Kalma. Number 93. Yes, sir. Nice inbound play.
Yes, another 2 points. Kalingayan. 41-54. Kalingayan. 4 minutes and 35 sa ating last quarter.
Number 15. Ines. Sumasabit. Walang sumabit. Tuwira, wala. Wala number 23. Balitin. To number Brown. Yes, sir.
Yun, another 2 points. Kalingayan.
Time out. Value. Last 4 minutes. 13 seconds. Final score. 41-56. Kalingayan. Dr. Logan. Labas, 36-20. Number 1. Masyadong mali ng pinasahan. Yes, you are. Number Brown. It's a layup. Happy viewing to Mr. Erwin Akbayani of Barangay Bali. Happy viewing, sir. Number 1. Goes to Rose, yes, sir. Number 11, yellow. Number 81, Smiling Boy. 10 seconds shot clock. Wait. Number 19. Magaling ang number 15. Number 15, nandiyan na. 15. Aray. Traveling violation. Number 12. Same ball. 10 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Number 12, yes sir. Ines. Number 12 again. Number 12. Sabit. There's a Sabit. Foul number 24. Ramanan. 2 shots for number 12. Ines.
Ayan, 43-60. Kalingayan, 43-60. Kalingayan, 2 minutes and 16 seconds left sa ating last quarter.
Yes, again.
Ayan, 62-43. Kalingayan.
Number 12. Ramanan. Ines. Ramanan, very forward. No free. Red Bull. Last 1 minute, 45 seconds. 10 to shoot. Ines. Last 1 minute. Foul. Unsportsmanlike foul. Number 21, Ines. Time out. Kalingayan. Back to the rolling. Volleyball. Arosena. Reyes. Just 1 minute, 10 seconds. Duran. Number 2, Duran. Yes, sir. Number 2.
Ayan, 43-64. Kalingayan, last 53 seconds.
Number 2. Duran. Number 30. Bang! Highlight. Number 2.
Lahat
Kaya.
So ayan, congratulations Kalingayan, 64-51.